everybody, Harold here. Today I want to show you 12 awesome things you can do with tables in Excel 365 and one bad one. So let's get started. Number 1, colors and design. When you select an unformatted range in Excel, go to your Insert tab, create a table. My table has headers. Okay. Excel automatically gives you a color and design based on your color palette with alternating rows. If you want, you can change it. Put your cursor anywhere in the table, go to table design, and Excel will give you a lot more options. Number 2, automatic sort and filter buttons. Another thing you may have noticed when I created the table were the buttons at the top of the columns. These are automatic sort and filter buttons. You no longer have to go to your menu or right click. They just appear when you create a table. Number 3, your table automatically expands when adding new row or column data. Number 4, you can easily create name ranges from your table. Go to the Formulas tab. Highlight your whole table, including the column headings. Choose Create from Selection in the Define Names group. Choose Top Row only. Say OK. Now your column headings are named ranges. If you expand the range with more data, it will be included. You don't have to go back and redefine your ranges. You've easily created these name ranges for use in all your formulas. Number 5, summarize with pivot table. If you go to your table design ribbon, click anywhere in your table and click summarize with pivot table, it'll create a pivot table from your table range. You can choose to do this on a new worksheet or an existing worksheet. I recommend creating a new worksheet. We'll say OK. There's our pivot table, ready for us to drag and drop fields and view the data how we wish. Number 6, remove duplicates. Also on the table design screen, click on this button here. Remove duplicates from any or all columns. See, the Frank Miller doubled is now gone. Remove duplicates. Number 7, insert slicer. Also on the table design menu. Click anywhere in the table, and with 3 clicks, you can insert a slicer to sort by any of your fields. Number 8, turn header rows on and off. With this checkbox in the Table Style Options group, you can turn off and on your header rows. Number 9, total row. You can turn on and off a total row, which has totals for each column. You can choose from any of these functions, or even more, without having to use formulas in your totals. Number 10, banded rows and columns. If you don't like the banded rows, you can turn them on and off. You can also do banded columns or bold the first and or last column. Number 11, show and hide the filter buttons. You can turn the filter buttons off and on. Number 12, spilled arrays are automatically updated. If you use a dynamic array function in a table and you add a new item to that field, it automatically updates your spilled array. And the bad one, the one you've all been waiting for. If you select your table and choose Convert to Range on the Tools in the Table Design menu, Excel will ask you if you want to convert the table to a normal range. You spent all this time creating this wonderful table. Why would you want to do that? But if you say yes, Word will convert your table back to a normal range with none of the features of the table. However, you still have the table design and formatting. So if your intent was to go back to plain unformatted data, you probably should have just copied, paste special values, and would have gotten you there. Don't use convert to range. That's it for this video. Thanks for joining me. Please subscribe and tell a friend. And join us at Purple Crown Training for our next video. Thanks, guys.